all. My name is Shweta, and I'm doing this. I did this content writing course from Henry Harvin Institute, Noida, online course, and I'm really happy with the course. And the the trainer is very knowledgeable, very equipped, and she answers our queries very well and very patiently, in fact. And as I'm a homemaker, so I did this course to upgrade my writing and technical skills. um, I was an avid reader, so I thought of giving it a try, and that's why I did this course. And I'm really satisfied with the content material they have provided us. And there were things which I was not aware of earlier joining this course, but now I am like pretty much good at it. So if anyone wants to pursue this course, so please go ahead and do it, because I'm really happy with the course. Thank you so much.